On average, 117 people are killed with guns every day across the U.S., and Wisconsin averages 678 gun deaths a year. Today is Gun Violence Prevention Day of Action, and gun reform activists gathered at the Capitol. They demanded stronger gun laws here in Wisconsin. They say gun violence is a public health crisis here and nationwide. Policies they are advocating for are universal background checks, safe storage tax incentives, and creating grant money for suicide prevention efforts by firearm retailers and gun ranges.
Change can happen. So when are people actually going to step up and make this happen? Because what's going to happen, because if we don't do it now, we're going to also end up having the exact same conversation next year, and the next year after that, and the next 4 years, and the next 8 years, until change happens.
The group claims the financial cost of gun violence in Wisconsin is more than $8 billion every year.